Hello everyone. Are you wondering what mid means? Let's explore. Mid is a term used to describe something that is mediocre, average, or unremarkable. It's often used as a critique, indicating that something does not stand out or impress. Whether it's a movie, a meal, or an experience, calling it mid suggests that it's neither good nor bad, just somewhere in the middle. The term has gained traction as a quick and easy way to express disappointment or lack of excitement about something that fails to meet high expectations. Mid is essentially shorthand for something that is just okay, not worth getting excited about, and falls short of being memorable. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.